I'm in LA getting loaded. My dog got some posts for the high and a little by the low. You would think that he grow it. Finna hop on a road by the shop for some clothes by the low. Make it.
What's going on, Down Mafia? If you guys are new, what? That's not even my intro. What's poppin', Down Mafia? Hey man, I've been so sick. That's why I haven't been uploading. Please put the prayer hands for Dom. Pray for me, cause I've been on my deathbed, bro. I've been sleeping over there with snot. That's not even the point. If you guys clicked on this video, you guys are here for a reason to see big Balenciaga Alaska Fur Boots. So I got these Balenciaga boots. I want to give a review on them, how they look, where you guys can buy them from, as well as a discount code, so you guys can get it for the low. You feel me? But that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome to the Don Mafia if you guys just subscribed. But without further ado, I'm gonna be showing you guys what they look like. I'm gonna tell y'all what I feel about them, and then as well give y'all an on-feet review. I can't breathe, I'm still sick. But yes, I'll be giving y'all an on-feet review as well, what they look like when they are on my feet and walk in. But that being said, let's get into it. As you guys can see, we got the big Balenciaga. I said big Balenciaga. I can't even talk, bro. I'm so sick, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm sick. This is what the box looks like. If I can get a close-up, this is what the box looks like. Now, we'll open them. Oh, snap. So you got the size and everything, what it looks like, the barcode. I recommend as well to size down. If you're like a size, I don't know, 44, go to 43. Because if not, they're gonna be like really big moon boots on you. They're already moon boots already, but size down. Got a Balenciaga. I said Balenciaga. I can't even talk. What am I talking about? Balenciaga. Bro, I'm so sick. I can't even pronounce Balenciaga. That is literally insane. But yeah, we got these Balenciaga cards inside. Has like a little envelope. I don't know what the hell. It's just don't worry about that. It's not important. But as well, I'll be showing y'all the paper and my discount code for y'all to get these for the low at the end of the video. I'm not gonna show the paper yet. As you guys can see, some paper with the discount code. But y'all gonna have to wait and watch the whole video. But let's unwrap it. And pretty much it come with some Balenciaga dust bags. I took them out already because I have worn these shoes already. But yeah, if you don't feel like carrying this big old box everywhere, you could put these big shoes in a dust bag like this. Yeah, as you guys see, it says Balenciaga as well on them. So that being said, this is pretty much what they look like. Yo, these junks are so fire, dude. Like, look at these things. I love this color too. Like, I don't know what the color. It's like that UGG color, like that Nemo. Is that how they pronounce it? A Nemo color, tan color. Like, dude, it's so fire. That being said, let's take these out. And pretty much, yeah, there's nothing else really in the box. It's just a bunch of paper and everything. So later with that. Yeah. So these are so fire. What I really like most about it is like when you're wearing pants or shoes, it's like this toe box pops out so much, and it's definitely an eye catcher, because whenever I'm in public and I'm wearing them, people be like, yo, what are those things? Because they're like, they just never seen them. I'm like, hey, they're my Balenciaga Alaska boots, you feel me? And then what I really love about this too is the fur. Like, it's winter where I live and it's super cold, so when I have these things on, like, bro, my feet are not cold at all due to like how much fur it is inside, as well as just like the entire shoe. Like, it's fur all the way into the toe box as well. And then in the bottom, as you guys can see, it says Balenciaga on the bottom. Yeah, but I think these things are super fire. I'm really trying to step up my boot game. If you guys are interested in boots, this is definitely a W boot to start off with. Even UGG boots, but I definitely feel like the Balenciaga boots, you could wear so much with them. Baggy jeans, jorts, I don't even know, just like denim, some regular denim, star denim. Like, there's so much that you guys can wear with these. Like, I feel like these shoes are so versatile that you could really put anything on. Like, some shoes you can't put everything on because it just won't look right, but these boots, they're just different, bro. And I feel like what made them different, obviously, is the fur, but also this big toe box. Like, this thing is just, it pops out when you're wearing anything. Like, it's just super different. And there's no other shoes really like that are close to like having this toe box. So when people see them, they gonna know it's different, and obviously ask questions. That's why people ask me questions all the time, because people don't really see them like that. But if I had to rate this shoe like on a scale of 1 through 10, I would definitely give it like a 9 out of 10 due to me just getting the wrong size. So like it kind of, I have to walk a certain way when I'm wearing these, unfortunately. But like it's not discomforting, but it's also like not to where I can regularly walk. But everything else is super fire. The color, my outfits when I'm wearing these with something, just everything about them, and just like the fur inside, like it's not bad quality at all. Like the fur is super good. Like I don't know who the is, the manufacturer of this shoe, but definitely really good. I don't know who Balenciaga going to for the manufacturing, but it's super good. The stitching, as you guys can see, like I'll give you guys a close-up with how everything looks and the suede of the color. I really feel like I'm gonna have to get all the colors. If you guys don't know, there's multiple colors. This is the back of the shoe as well. It says Balenciaga, and then the size. As you guys can see, I kind of already wore them already. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get white and black, because these things are just fire, bro. Like they're super fire. But with that being said, I'm gonna put these on my feet and give y'all a little walkthrough of how they look when I do have something on. So let's do it. So yeah, that was the on-feet review. If you guys want to purchase, I'll give y'all the code right now. The code, you guys can use this code. This is the website. I'll have everything in the description as well. Use code DOM for $15 off. Hey man, I'm not gonna lie, they quality when it comes to shoes are super fire, bro. Definitely go tap in. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.